have a special guest. His name is Manuel, and this is Ela. And today I'm making my grandma Sally request chicken Cheetos. Yay! I'm gonna use hot Cheetos for the chicken, but you can use any like chips, like regular chips. And we also need
egg yolk.
Egg yolk. Egg yolk. And cut up chicken.
Chicken strips.
It's not chicken strips. Thank you. We're gonna grab the chicken. We're gonna grab the chicken. This much?
Yeah.
Put it, cover it with the egg and milk. We're gonna flip it. We're gonna grab it and coat it with the hot Cheetos. Hot Cheetos! Eli, do it. We're gonna press it down so it can be stuck, so it can stay on it.
Okay, now come.
Oh no!
Grab a chicken strip. Now lay it there.
I want those hot Cheetos. Look at my finger hands. I got hot Cheetos. I kind of want to eat it on me. We have our oven heat treated at 400 degrees, and we're going to bake it for 15 minutes.
So, let's go.
Lime on it if you like.
Yeah.
No. Now the taste testing.
Oh, come on. It's hard. Don't worry.
Okay.
Eat the Cheeto.
We're gonna have the
This tastes like.
No. You don't.
Tastes like Cheetos, normal Cheetos, with Kentucky Fried Chicken. Wow. It's good. Let me take a try. Tastes like a chicken nugget, but with no spice. Oh, some spice. It does taste like a chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget there. Chicken nugget there. What? Better than try one? Wait, your hair, fix it if you want to. No, Sky, don't hold it like that.
What's up, people? I'm being bullied now. Here, get one. No.
You don't want one?
Yes, please.
Take one. You want lime on it?
Yes, please. It tastes like a chicken nugget with just a little spice. Hello, people. You seen him in one of your videos? Oh shit!
Ah!
Come on!
Stop, Eli. Here, you can take this piece if you don't want it big. Oh, that's a bone.
Oh, look that.
No. Subscribe to the channel. Click the bell button. Not done.
Subscribe and don't forget to
Click the bell button.
the
If you have
like button.
Bye. Bye.